Let's cut away to a clip of fancy pants haggling with an airport taxi driver. He loves this shit, especially with these taxi guys. So, this is a large taxi, an SUV, so it's more expensive than the regular taxis. This fare in a regular taxi would be 400 to 500 baht. In this larger taxi, it should be 600 to 700 baht. The driver starts off with a price of 800 plus the cost of the highway toll, so about 850.
Airport tax. Airport tax, yes. What's an airport tax?
Make me feel so high. Make me feel so high. Make me feel so high. Time and time again, you make me feel so high.
อันนี้ยังไม่บวกยังไม่พลัสแอล512 Well, it's the toll, plus the toll, plus airport, yes, and plus your last
850, 850. Do I hear 750? Boom. The driver is down to 727.
We paid 600 to go farther last time.
727, 727. Do I hear 700? Boom. Yes, we have 700 baht.
Yes. See, I went to JC Hotel. That's farther. JC, that's Siam, right? JC definitely. Well, I guess you don't need to do all that. That's farther, and I only paid 600.
I show you everything. I show you, and I show you.
Yeah, every time I go there.
562 เห็นไหมโอ้562
Is that like,
yeah
so
562
maybe I can do a smaller one, eh?
โอ้cannot do
Make me feel so high. Make me feel so high.
I did it all day long. I did it today.
Make me feel so high.
มันแพงเหรอ700นี่แพงเลยมันไม่แพงมันไม่แพงมันไม่แพงมันไม่แพงครับ
Now Fancy Pants calls his bluff and asks another driver with a regular-sized car if he can fit his luggage in there. Good call. The art of the deal. The driver says yes, he can fit the luggage. The game is really on now. I'm rooting for Fancy Pants on this one.
เนี่ยพร้อมเยี่ยมอยู่คนเดียวนะไม่ใช่ใกล้ๆไม่ใช่เรือนะ
Maybe we walk. Bump something.
ได้34 กิโลเว้นฟังครับไอเปย์โอเวนั่นแหละรวมหมดเลย
You make me feel so high.
So what are we talking? 700.
ครับไม่แพงครับ34 กิโล
Yeah, but see, where's Siam is where? It's over here somewhere. See, JC Kevin is farther. I paid less.
700, 700. Do I hear 650? The pressure is on.
650
Boom. We have 650.
650
Is 650 going once, going twice?
ครับ650
Boom, 650 it is.
โอเคไหม
You see, haggling can be a lot of fun,
เก่งชิบหายเลย
as long as you are playful about it.